Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking out from this symmetrical triangle. Yesterday, we have almost exactly filled our CME gap. We were just a $100 off from actually closing our CME gap, and we actually turned around towards the downside again. But time is running out right now, because if we will not be able to break above our previous high this week, well, in that case, I do think we are going to be seeing a dump in towards support levels that I have highlighted right here. But of course, if we are able to be breaking above our previous high we have created over here, well, we are going to be having a look in towards previous structures being repeated, just like over here, but also just like over here. And in that case, well, we are going to be seeing a last pump towards the upside. So that is why this symmetrical triangle in the short term is going to be so important, because it is going to be the decision point if we are either going to be seeing this downwards price action being created, or if we are going to be seeing this last pump towards the upside being created. Now, of course, yesterday we were having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle right here. And yes, indeed, we did create a push towards the upside. This push was about 2% towards the upside. But in the end of the day, well, we were very close to be filling our CME gap. And we are just a $100 approximately off right here. It was literally 0.25% off and about $75 off right here of filling our CME gap. So I would already consider this CME gap to be filled because it was so close. I would already consider this CME gap to be filled right here. Okay, and then after filling our CME gap, well, we reversed immediately once again back towards the downside, and we have tested this support level once again, and we have also created a new resistance level right here, creating this new symmetrical triangle. Now, this one has the same price targets as of yesterday. If we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, well, we have price targets of all the way up towards the 32k level. But if we are going to be breaking towards the downside, well, we are going to be having price targets all the way down towards the 28.8k. So definitely either towards the upside or towards the downside, we are going to be creating a huge move at the point of this breakout. And we have about 2 more days of trading in towards this symmetrical triangle before we really have to choose a direction to either the upside or towards the downside. So that would be very important to watch right here. But also, we can of course be seeing that this cup and handle pattern broke towards the upside. And at the point of this breakout, I opened this very beautiful long position on BitGet, which is right now at a 4.5k profits. And right now we are having this weekly resistance right now coming in and providing us a resistance where we are unable to break above right now in the short term. But whenever we can be breaking above this weekly resistance, well, that is going to be the point where we are going to be seeing a huge pump all the way, I believe, towards the 36k level being created. And all the way up towards the 36k, maybe all the way up towards the 38k. Because if we have a look, well, this move right here looks very similar as this move right here. This is because, of course, we got perfectly supported by the 0.5 Fibonacci level right here, but also right here perfectly supported. And after we got supported by our 0.5 Fibonacci level, well, we moved up towards our 1.618 Fibonacci level, which is all the way up towards the 38k level. And that previously around exactly happened over here, and we topped out at the 1.618 level. Now, could history once again be repeating and we once again hit our 1.618 level before once again reversing towards the downside? Well, that would definitely be a scenario I would be looking out for. And in my opinion, this 1.618 Fibonacci level would be one target I am having a look in towards. Now, other than that, of course, on the weekly time frame, we are also still looking very good with this inverse head and shoulders breakout towards the upside, with a perfect retest we have created over here. So yes, indeed, in the larger term trend, well, it is still looking very good. So guys, make sure to have a look in towards this short-term symmetrical triangle that we have been forming over here. And make sure to be updated about every single market development on my Twitter page. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.